PETA activists are outside of Urban Outfitters right now in Chicago. They've got signs and masks, and they are asking that Urban Outfitters, Anthropology, and Free People ban all animal materials now.
These animal materials are inherently cruel. Anytime that humans use animals, it's inherently cruel. PETA has investigated Anthropology and Urban Outfitters, and what they've seen is horrific. You can find the footage online.
Shame on you! Shame on you for what you do! Hey, Urban, what do you say? How many animals died today? Hey, Urban, what do you say? How many animals died today? What do the animals used by Urban need?
Animal liberation.
When do they need it?
Now.
Are we gonna fight for them?
Yes.
Are we gonna get it for them?
Yes.
When innocent cows are under attack, what should we all be doing?
Stand up, fight back.
What should we do?
Stand up, fight back.
So sad that in a world where we can make vegan leather out of pineapple, we choose to instead do it out of the skin of animals, and that is not right. So please end using animal resources and find alternatives.